Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the trader. It is February 11th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Tesla did not hold 879 today, so we closed at 860, down $44.55. That's minus 4.93%. Post-market, we are down further $1.10. Let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So 2 days ago, we were close to 940. Then we had the big day that we had yesterday, but we still maintained ourselves above 894. Today, it didn't work like that. So we have big red candle, and that red candle rested on our double support. We can see that the body of the candle is resting on the first support. The first support that would be at 860. And the second one here at 847. So this is a diagonal support that we have been following. And also we had this 857.36 support that we have had. And basically these three support were there and they stopped the stock from going lower, at least today. Let's go see the 1 hour chart to understand how this played out. This is the first hour of the day here. So we opened a little bit higher than what we closed yesterday, and we tried to climb back up, and lo and behold, we touched the 50-day moving average. And the first hour, we came down pretty fast, and we maintained ourselves above 879 for 3 hours. And then what happened? We just fell through. And now, as I mentioned, we stabilize ourselves right here. And all of the indicators are pretty low. Let's go see the daily chart, what is happening. So did we lose? Yes, we even lost the MACD breakover bullish. So now MACD has broken over bearish. So things are pretty hard in the stock market. Tesla was doing good here. This pullback here was nice. We did not reach 60 on the stochastics, so it was not a great pullback. And we did not even reach this big resistance that we have been following also. Let's look a little bit at what happened on the market. So we have the 10-year yield that came back down a little bit. So that's good for the stock market. The 2-year yield came down a little bit less. We have the VIX went up like crazy today. And if we look at it here, so it shot up at 130, and let me see here. And then at 130, this is when Tesla broke this support right here. So we see the impact on the stock market. Let's go see the Dow Jones. So Dow Jones closed a couple of days above this downward resistance here. Stochastic was even over 60, but sometimes things just don't work and things turn around. This is what we have here. We have a turnaround on the Dow Jones. We could be heading back towards 33,800. Standards and Poor's, pretty much the same thing, but I would say 1 day ahead. So even yesterday, we came below this resistance. We could have been saved by this support right here, but that was not the case. So we have been 2 days under this big resistance. Nasdaq, pretty strong move back down right here. And the Nasdaq 100 also pretty strong. So almost back to 1477 right here. Stock market is pretty weak. Let's look at the indicators right here on the stock. So on Tesla, stochastic is at 21, RSI is going back down, and also we have DMI that is increasing its bearishness. So very hard market to trade long. It's a bit easier to short. So let's hope that people get to digest the 7.5% inflation. Let's hope that things settle down a little bit, because it would be nice for Tesla to start going back up again. So maybe this is going to happen next week. We shall see, because we are going to look at Tesla and Palantir every single day. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member, and my YouTube members suggested me stocks to analyze in my Friday special request video that is going to come in a few minutes. So you can all watch it, but only my members can suggest stocks for me to analyze. And only my members can attend my live on Sunday. So I'm going to wish you a great weekend. We are going to talk Sunday or Monday, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.